It has been a true delight and treat, especially comparatively where we were early January.
Yes. So we've got nice weather had great weather yesterday when those temperatures in the 70s. Today, temperatures come down a little bit, but still running 8 to 10 above the average high for today.
So it's all about that perspective. Is it going to be as hot as yesterday? No. Will it be as sunny? Not so much, but we always love spreading some sunshine.
Yeah, so you can help us spread that sunshine every day, no matter the weather, with our Good Morning Sunshine videos. Tell us who you are, where you are from, ended with the phrase, Good Morning Sunshine. Once you do that, email that to us, my5@newschannel5.com. All you need is about 10 or so seconds of video and send that on in and we can get you on the list. Meanwhile, next couple of days, temperatures up and down. We missed the record by 1 in Nashville. Crossville, yeah, you did. You tied a record yesterday. So for today, we're at 61. But again, the average high for today is 51. Then for tomorrow, we're at 65. Now, as we head into Thursday, we're going to push around 70. That will flirt with the record. We come down a little bit for you on Friday. And then on Saturday, we are at 71. The current record for Saturday is 77 degrees. But long-range models indicating that we may start to suppress some of this warmer air to our south. This is the 6 to 10 day outlook, and it does show some of that cooler than normal air is on the way, and you'll probably start to see a little bit of that as we get toward the end of our 7-day. Today, though, more clouds, a little cooler. For tomorrow and Thursday, area showers, maybe a thunderstorm or two. A storm or two could be on the strong side. Not looking at anything widespread severe, but a strong thunderstorm, not out of the question. And then into the weekend, we're going to be mild on Saturday and then cooler for you on Sunday. Right now, though, as you start the day, Nashville International 61, but it's cooler at John Tune on the other side of town, 54. Some of the airports in your communities right now showing temperatures in the 50s at this hour. That's still up a little bit, though, from where we were at this time yesterday. From Gallatin, you are 55 degrees. There's some of that cooler air behind the front that is making its way into the Mid-South. And again, Nikki D, the front comes in, may squeeze out a stray shower here or there, but more than anything, making us cooler than yesterday.
And it's all about the verbiage, isn't it, Leland? And because of the timing of this system, right ahead of sunrise, and then, of course, that sunshine giving us that energy to warm back up, temperatures aren't going to fluctuate a ton. For a lot of us, what you are stepping out to is going to be very similar to where you will end up. You'll notice upper 50s, low 60s going throughout the entire afternoon and parts of the evening. But once that sun does set, we'll tumble back just a little bit more from where we were this morning. But a lot of cloud cover is going to continue to stick with us. We could squeeze out 1 or 2 raindrops, but as we discussed, this was not a huge rainmaker. It was going to drop our temperatures right around 10 degrees. Overnight, though, we're going to start to have a little more activity. Some isolated showers will work in, even a few embedded thunderstorms, but you'll really notice that picking up heading into tomorrow afternoon, continuing even throughout Wednesday night into parts of Thursday. Our threat is low, but not completely no. It's coming in a 1 out of 5, basically stating, hey, we're going to have some generic thunderstorms with this. Some of these could potentially be on the stronger side of things, but that will be more of the exception than the rule. But of course, with that instability in place, we'll continue to follow that, keeping all of our eyes on the Power of 5 radars. And we're also looking ahead to the weekend. You'll notice that we do have some rainfall opportunities. Now, this is not going to be a widespread rain event, but we will have some chances heading into the weekend. A lot of you, though, will have a good chance to go throughout the weekend rain-free just because of the scattered nature of the system. Temperatures today topping out right around 61 degrees. You'll notice in our super 7-day forecast, winds a little breezy at first out of our north, then they settle down dramatically as we make our way throughout this evening. Tomorrow morning, we're back into the upper 40s to start off. By the afternoon, we'll top out around 65, and you'll even have peaks of sunshine. But what you're really going to notice, of course, are those scattered showers as well as thunderstorms, and a few of those could potentially bring some gusty winds alongside. That continues again going into Thursday, but because of this warmer air moving in, we're talking 70 degrees with some breezy winds before we get knocked down and get back up.
Yeah, so we go down a little bit for you on Friday. Then on Saturday, we're at 71. And then look at the cool air moving in for the end of the 7-day period. 53 on Sunday, 46 on Monday. And looks like several more 40-degree days may be on the way next week.